Hi, my name is Palash. I'm a founder of Expedia, and in this video, I'm going to show you a really good way to provide feedback to your Webflow developer. So all you have to do is go to your Webflow dashboard and open Designer. And once the Designer mode is open, you click on this icon on the top right hand side, and this will open up the comments section. And now you can actually pinpoint the exact thing you have a problem with. So let's say you want to remove this image, so you can just click on the image and say remove image and post, and now you and your developer can communicate right here. You can also switch screen, so there are different screen, so like tablet, landscape version, mobile version, or bigger screen like 1920 pixel, 4040 1440 pixel, things like that. So you have, if you have any problem with any particular resolution, you can also just switch the resolution, make the comment, and that is it. So you can, there's one more thing, you can also add more team members. So let's say if you have more team member in your company that want to provide feedback, you can also add commenters. So all you have to do for that, you go to your dashboard, and in dashboard select teams, and in team, in commenters, you just select invite commenter. All you have to do is just enter their email and invite, and that is it. Now your team member can also provide feedback on your website. So I hope this is helpful. If you have any question about it, please let me know, and thank you for watching.